Good afternoon, students. Today I will teach about the longitudinal and longitudinal and transverse section of testes. In previous class, we already studied the male reproductive system. Male reproductive system having first organ, that is the testes. Testes occur in pair, twin numbers, present in scrotum. Now that testes produces male gamete, sperm. Now what is that testis looks like in longitudinal section LS and in transverse section TF. Now first we will study about the LS, longitudinal section of testes. Here LS, longitudinal section of testes. Now testis, it is oval in shape. It is covered by tunica albuginea. Testis that is covered by tunica albuginea and made up of two membranes. Outer membrane that is called as tunica acinale and inner membrane red in color that is tunica vasculosa. Two membranes. Now internally testis that shows many lobules, near about 200 to 300 lobules present in testes, and each that lobules that shows the presence of SFT. SFT means seminiferous tubule. Seminiferous tubule that produces male gamete sperm. 2 to 3 seminiferous tubule that is present in each lobules. Listen here, lobules 200 to 300 present in testes, and in each lobule there is a presence of 1 to 4, maybe 2, 3, 4, that SFT or seminiferous tubule present in lobule, and that SFT or seminiferous tubule that produces sperm. In board sometimes that what is SFT? SFT means seminiferous tubule that is present in each lobule, and sperm producing that seminiferous tubule that are collected from that all seminiferous tubule, that sperms are collected in that network of capillaries like structure that is known as that capillary like structure that is known as rete testis, that is called as rete, that is known as rete testis, and that rete testis passed that sperm in a temporarily storehouse of the sperm. Which is the temporarily storehouse of the sperm? That is the epididymis, present above testis, epididymis. From that rete testis, sperms are collected in epididymis and stored temporarily. So and so, epididymis is called as temporarily storehouse of the sperm. Now that is about the longitudinal section LS of testes. Now if that testis cut in transverse manner, then it is the TF of testes. TF of testes. Again here it is covered by a membrane, and within that membrane many seminiferous tubule present. That seminiferous tubule SFT, seminiferous tubule, and that seminiferous tubule are 1 to 4 in number, maybe 1, 2, 3 or 4 in number. Here I am drawing 2 full and 1 half. Each that seminiferous tubule having same structure as I draw in 1. Seminiferous tubule, it shows outer single-celled germinal epithelium, and in between that germinal epithelium some cells are longitudinal larger cells that are Sertoli cells. Larger cells are Sertoli cells. Now that outer germinal epithelial cell that divides and redivides, and here formation of spermatogonia or sperm producing cells, and from that germinal epithelium sperms produce here in the center. There is a sperms, and that sperms take nourishment or nutrition, that are the sperms take nourishment or nutrition from that Sertoli cell. Take nutrition. Sperm required nutrition for swimming. So that nutrition for development, that nutrition sperm takes from the Sertoli cell. So Sertoli cell also called as a nurse cell. Question asking for one answer. Why Sertoli cells are called as a nurse cell? Because Sertoli cell provide nourishment or food for the developing sperm. So and so Sertoli cells are called as nurse cell. Now that asepti are seminiferous tubules that are connected with each other are attached with the help of connective tissue here. Attached with each other with the help of connective tissue, and in that, within that connective tissue present in between asepti or seminiferous tubule, in between that seminiferous tubule connective tissue present, and within that connective tissue there is a presence of a cell. That cells are called as Leydig cells. Leydig cells present in between asepti. That Leydig cell, so also called as interstitial cell, present in between. Interstitial or Leydig cell. And function of the Leydig cell, that is the production of male sex hormone. Which is the male sex hormone? Testosterone, also known as androgen. Testosterone, male sex hormone, or androgen. Testosterone or androgen, same thing, that produces with the help of that Leydig cell or interstitial cell present in connective tissue of testes. What is the function of male sex hormone, that is testosterone or androgen? Help for the development of secondary sexual character in male. In male, secondary sexual character present. Which is the secondary sexual character in male, like mustache, beard, deepening of voice. That are the secondary sexual character in male, and that are developed after the production of hormones testosterone produced by Leydig cell or interstitial cell present in connective tissue of testes. Write the function of that testosterone, or where testosterone hormone produced. Testosterone hormones produced in Leydig cell or interstitial cell present in connective tissue, and their function development of secondary sexual character in male. In male, secondary sexual character like deepening of voice, development of mustaches, development of beard, that are the secondary sexual characters in men. That is about the histology of testes. Histology of testes means longitudinal section of testes and transverse section of testes. That is nothing but the histology of testes. Next time we will see about the structure of male gamete, that is the sperm. Sperm producing testes. Sperm is male gamete, and in testes sperm produced from germinal epithelium. produced from germinal epithelium by the process of spermatogenesis. Genesis means formation. Sperm formation. Spermatogenesis. What is spermatogenesis? The process of production of sperm from germinal epithelium. That is called as spermatogenesis. Formation of sperm. Okay, boys.